To keep you ahead of the competition, Hyundai presents the R210 Smart Plus, a wonder fuel option to level up your business with the power of fuel efficiency. A perfect amalgamation of high tech with innovation that leads to low fuel consumption and high profitability. The advanced CAPO system, newly designed CMCU, power and working mode options result into excellent fuel efficiency. Optimum balance between the pump and engine output, along with fuel saving kit, provides better fuel utilization and less fuel consumption. The one-touch idle and auto deceleration prevents fuel loss by reducing engine RPM during the no-load condition. Exclusive breaker mode leads to excellent fuel saving. Arm regeneration system increases performance with lesser fuel. The advanced technology provides leverage in the longer run. The engine performs smoothly at any given condition, be it hot, humid or dusty. The electro-hydraulic control system provides a wide range of flow at various workloads for paramount productivity. Open center design of MCV ensures fast response and maximum efficiency in tough conditions. The 140 HP turbocharged engine is built for power, reliability and efficiency. Choice of operating modes. Best-in-class travel performance. Best-in-class digging forces give higher output even in tough working conditions. Inbuilt flow summation system and swing priority function. The spacious air-conditioned cabin offers more headroom and the large door makes the entry and exit comfortable. Easily accessible controls ensure that the operator can work for longer hours without any fatigue in a safe working environment. The cabin is integrally welded with low stress using high strength steel to provide enhanced protection. The counterbalance valve works as a hydrostatic brake and prevents the machine against accidental roll down in steep gradients. Boom and arm holding systems prevent attachments from drifting against gravity due to prolonged overhanging. Anti-restart function prevents starter from damage during engine operation. The battery disconnect switch cuts off the power during maintenance and protects the batteries from excessive drain. Auto deceleration with activation of engine overheat warning avoids catastrophic failure. The operator can easily access all the parts that require regular checks for smooth operations. Specialized advanced steel plates and reinforced design is used for higher strength and durability. X-frame provides excellent resistance to torsional bending to enhance structure life. Reliable electricals provide longer component life. A highly efficient Hyundai designed swing and travel system ensures minimum failure. Easy access for maintenance from ground level means regular checks get done faster, giving you more uptime. Radiator and oil cooler are arranged in a line to maximize efficiency. With the touch of a button, get access to machine operation with a unique remote management system to receive service and maintenance alerts. We have around 200 plus dealers spread across the country with a 24/7 customer care helpline number, which ensures customer satisfaction at its best. Here's the time to level up the game of the competition and experience the impossible. The R210 Smart Plus lets you conquer more with excellent fuel efficiency and high profitability.